Hello. In this tutorial, I will show you how to use the Prevent Empty Form Submission feature in Bitform. Let's begin. First, click on your form name. Navigate to the Settings section. Then enable the Prevent Empty Form Submission feature. Now if you submit an empty form, an error message will be displayed below the form. Then click on the Update button. Let's submit an empty form. Now you see a message indicating that the empty form cannot be submitted because the Prevent Empty Form Submission option is enabled. Then get back to the form settings and disable this option. Then click on the Update button. Now if you submit an empty form, then the form will be submitted successfully. Let's submit an empty form again. The form has been successfully submitted. That's all for this tutorial. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.